Hi guys, and welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Hot Wheels Mario Kart Luigi Mach 8. 3+ these from Mattel. Here's a bag. Here's the other ones you can get. Red Yoshi standard cart, Toad standard cart, Mario standard cart, which I got last video, Princess Peach standard cart, Luigi Mach 8, which I got, Shy Guy B Dasher, Lakitu Sports Coupe, Wario standard cards, which I got last video. Let's open it up. Here's Luigi in Mach 8. It has a L or Luigi logo. It has L on the hat. L, 4 wheels. And this color of the car is yellow and blue, and sometimes they look familiar. Hot Wheels Mario Kart is Hot Wheels is the most Mattel company in the world. Hot Wheels makes Mario Kart, and that's what they think about it. And even though Hot Wheels drive fast, Hot Wheels cars drive fast. Hot Wheels cars drive fast. But you know, it's cool. Please watch a unboxing of the Hot Wheels Mario Kart Luigi Mach 8 diecast.